Hey, what's up? Finally, the new sport watch from Xiaomi is released. There were many rumors about the new watch from Amazfit and Xiaomi, and finally it is here. Many people think, including me, that it will be Amazfit BIP 2. However, the new watch is called Amazfit GTS. Let's make the first review of Amazfit GTS. We will definitely make unboxing and full review of this watch when it will go on sale. Subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers, not to miss new videos. As expected, the new watch from Amazfit looks very similar to Apple Watch. Amazfit GTS has a square touchscreen with physical button on the right side. On the back there is heart rate sensor and charging connector. Amazfit GTS is waterproof by 5 Atm Standard. There is even a swimming pool mode, but we will talk about sport modes a little later. The dial of the watch is available in 2 colors. Also, you can choose a strap from 6 colors. The strap of Amazfit GTS looks very similar to the strap of Amazfit BIP. Talking about display, this is AMOLED panel with 1.65-inch diagonal and 341 ppi. The screen is covered by 2.5D curved protective glass. The main feature of Amazfit GTS screen is modular dial. There are 5 custom display content models such as weather, heart rate, steps, calories and distance. In the future, Xiaomi promises to add 2 more models so you can view the data in real time. Amazfit GTS has 100 watch faces out of the box. It is amazing. There are also 12 sport modes such as running, cycling, swimming, etc. Also, I should say about the BioTracker PPC sensor. It provides 24 hours continuous heart rate monitoring. Amazfit GTS is equipped with NFC, but I think you cannot use it outside the China, just like Mi Band 4. Finally, let's talk about the battery. Amazfit GTS is equipped with 200 mAh battery and it provides 14 days in daily use mode. In addition, the new watch will last up to 46 days in standby time, without Bluetooth, heart rate and other functions. I think it is very good battery life for the watch with color AMOLED display. The official price of new Amazfit GTS is $125. Yes, it is almost 2 times more expensive than Amazfit BIP. Also, it is $10 more than Amazfit GTR. Amazfit GTS looks like the next generation of Amazfit BIP, but the price of the new watch is pretty high. Also, Amazfit GTS has almost the same functions as Amazfit GTR, but the design is more beautiful for me. What do you think about new Amazfit GTS? Would you buy this watch? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.